Welcome to 360 Degree Machinery. We're going to do a walkthrough of an SCMI S520 planer. It's 10 horsepower, 234/60 volts, currently wired to 30 volts, 20-inch width capacity, and that throat opens up to just under 10 inches to 9 7/8 inches. As you can see, it's just a really deep throat opening. Most people don't know that they open that wide. We do have the original toolbox, tools, manuals. As you can see, it's in very good condition. Nice clean case. Segmented infeed rolls, segmented chip breakers. Power lift table. Power lift table has 2 speeds. Basically, to raise and lower that table, you just come in here, and this is going to be your faster speed. And what's really nice is you also have the secondary button. The secondary button is going to allow you to dial in at about a third to a fourth the speed of your other height control, so you can dial in basically 1,000th at a time. Really helps in dimensioning wood. On the front is the knob to lower and raise the lower infeed wheels. On the bottom's your boots. That's the only thing we did notice, is that the boots are detached. Multiple speed, really quiet running machine. We're gonna come in here and turn it on real fast. You do have a numeric height readout as well. Nice quiet gearbox. It's a really well thought out machine. Built-in sound insulation, kickstand. Easy to work on. If you have any questions or comments, you can reach us at info@360degreemachinery.com or give us a call at 630-229-6705. Again, thank you for tuning in to 360 Degree, helping you buy with confidence.